Uy, gusto mo kayo.
Ikakanta ko na lang ang message ko. Maniwala naman siya.
Sambol! 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 Sambol!
There ba?
There!
Kaya ba natin yan? Halika na. Our new department head, Mr. Nestor Balubig. Department head of Social Science. Oh, ayan ha. Order natin ang kanila.
Multi!
I just want to let you know that he has already appointed us to September 20, your new head of the Social Science Department. Congratulations, sir. Come on. Kayo naman eh. Ayaw ka kumagyan. I have prepared her message for you. Salamat, nahiya ako sa inyo. Ang gagaling nyo kasing kumanta, mamaya kakanta ko rin kayo. Alam mo sila na yun. What do you want? Gusto na? O, hindi ko lang kakawin ko eh. Yan ang dito na lang. O, ito ang kanta ko. Today marks another milestone in our lives as teachers. We are very much appreciative of the honor given us by students, especially those who are under our charge. You are students here in the Regional Science High School. We appreciate very much your gesture of love and appreciation for molding you as talented and upright citizens of our city in particular, and the entire country in general.
Prelim pa lang. Wala pa lang prelim.
I am touched by the cards you have prepared, for I believe it was done with love, a labor of love.
Ate Ulde ba?
Thank you very much. I just hope that you will continue showing your love and respect to your teachers, for they are your parents here in school. A million thanks too for the preparation you made to honor your teachers today, especially the prayer. We are thankful to all of you. I know for sure that you have made them happy today.